How to let styling speak for itself. This video will focus on characters from Kung Fu novels. Deconstruct them by looking at their hairstyle, expression, clothing, background, etc. With these skills, you don't have to be great at drawing, but you can still show the unique charm and inner world of a character. Let's get started. Hairstyle. Don't underestimate the power of hair. It's the key to showing the character. For example, the coolest Shimen Chue Shui. With long hair flying in the air, it expresses his cold and elegant personality. And the equally elusive Yang Xiao, he wears blue bangs to create a sense of edgy mystery. Accessories on head. Headwear is a symbol of status. For example, the royal level Duan Yu. He wears exaggerated headwear to highlight his supreme status. And the graceful and elegant Hua Wu Qiu. He wears delicate golden flowers to highlight the feeling that he was raised by women. Expression. Eyes, eyebrows, mouth, nose, all are part of the show. The bright smile of Xiao Yu expresses that he is quirky, lively, and cute. And Dongfang Biyu Bai's flirtatious eyes. It brings out the transsexual feeling. Behavior. The body is honest. It is a good method to express the inner world. For example, Hua Man Lu has both wisdom and sensitivity. He lowers his head and spreads his arms with palms up to feel the world with his heart's eye. Xiao Yu tilts her head, and he crosses his arms in front of his chest, showing confidence and a hint of cynicism. Color. Color can reveal a character's temperament. First, classify the characters into cold, warm, or neutral colors. For example, Shimen Chue Shui and Yang Xiao belong to the cold colors, representing coldness and mystery. Warm colors like those of Hua Man Lu, Xiao Yu and Zhong Wu Ji represents gentleness, enthusiasm, and kindness. The neutral colors of Hua Wu Qiu and Duan Yu represent balance and tolerance. Clothes. Clothing is the most important part of character modeling. For example, Hua Man Lu is gentle and open-minded. That is why a transparent and elegant cloak is used to highlight the fairy feeling. And Zhong Wu Ji, who grew up in the wild, just add some Japanese Ronin elements to show that he is an outsider among the central tribes. Background. Use the background to highlight the character's personality. It can make the character more three-dimensional. For example, Chu Liu Xiong the Wanderer, using the background of walking alone among mountains, and Xiao Yu using maple leaves as a background, metaphorically showing that he is the son of Jiang Feng. To enhance the depth and playfulness of the work. In fact, character design encompasses a wealth of knowledge. This video only shows some details. If you want to know more about this topic, please leave a message and let me know. Thank you so much.